there, wig lover, and this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and I want to bring you a very exciting review of a BelleTress wig. Before I show you what this wig looks like, this being the Woolala wig in the color Mocha with Cream, I want to show you what the cap construction looks like because I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised. This wig reminds me style-wise a lot of the Ignite wig by John Renault, except this one has a monofilament top and a lace front. The monofilament top is very well done, and I'll show you what that looks like when I put the wig on. Lace front is also well done. This is a rooted color, so you'll be able to see right away those knots, which is great. It's open wefted in the back and on the sides. We have nice fuzzy felt here on the ear tabs, which I love. There's a nice piece of metal here at the bottom of the ear tab as well to help keep it flat up against the side of your face. There's also felt lining the perimeter of the monofilament top of the wig, which is a nice touch, I think. The back of the wig is really stretchy. The perimeter of the wig, really stretchy, which is great. Look at that, and it does that on both sides. This one does not have an extended nape, but it does have felt here at the nape and can be adjusted a bit like a bra strap in the back. Overall, I think the cap construction on this wig is great. BelleTress contacted me earlier in the year. I mean, these things take months. When people contact me and tell me, you know, hey, check out my product, I do, but it can take a long time because, I mean, you know, I do a lot of things here at CysterWigs. You know, I'm always chronically overextended, so it can take a long time for me to look at their products, and I do look at them very critically. And in this case, I was very taken with the product. Look at this monofilament top with my finger underneath it. That's a beautifully done monofilament top. Those knots are just very well placed. They're nice and small, and they're not too symmetrically placed, which is good. I mean, that's really good. And then this is a heat-friendly wig, so you can tell right away that it doesn't have that much shine to it. It's just a very natural-looking sheen. The color itself is sort of like a light caramel brown on top of a medium auburn brown with a dark brown root. It doesn't have any permatease in it, not even at the crown. I mean, I've hunted for it. I could not see any permatease at all. Let me go ahead and put this one on so you can see how cute it is. And I think you'll think it's worth the wait because it's really a sharp little bob. Look at that. Such a cute little graduated bob. And it just sort of hugs the face. It doesn't have a bunch of poof. It doesn't have a bunch of crazy volume. You know, heat-friendly synthetic. What does that remind you of? But it's just got this really great styling to it. And let me show you what it looks like on all sides. So I really like this wig. I think that this front is just beautifully cut. Razored ends. Oh, it's just a great little wig. So the sides are 9.5 inches. The nape is only 2 inches, so you can see when I turned around that it's quite short. In fact, some of my bio hair is poking out through the back. You know, I need a haircut, but I don't in real life wear wigs this short that often, so it doesn't really bother me. The back is very short, as you can tell, because of that nape. So if you're going to wear a wig like this, either grow your hair long enough so you can put it in a low bun, or you can pin it up, or make sure that you shave your neck or something like that so you don't have that problem of it poking through. The weight on Woolala is only 3 ounces, which is super lightweight, and it moves really beautifully. So I really like this wig. I'm happy to be adding this line to my site. I'm glad they contacted me. It just takes a little while from the point they contact me to the point I can add them to the site. I like to vet things. So this is the Woolala in the lovely color Mocha with Cream by BelleTress. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching and have a great night. Bye-bye.